Good afternoon. I wanted to make a quick video about how I built this soccer wallboard rebounder. First, I want to say that these things, you can get them on Amazon, and they range from about $99 and then they go up into the hundreds of dollars. And that's really good, but looking for something to protect our baseboards while my daughter practices her drills down in the basement. You can see here that she's running through drills using the Technique app downstairs. I got the idea for the board from the Skill Challenges Instagram page. She does all kinds of cool drills and often shows this board. And after a few followers asked her about the dimensions, she made a post showing how it was built. And that's what I want to talk about today. What I did was buy two 8-inch by 2-inch by 10-foot long boards and one 8-foot 2x4. I cut the 10-foot long boards into a 6-foot piece, a 20-inch piece, and a 16-inch piece, and I discarded the rest. I cut four 16-inch pieces from the 2x4. Then I planned on taking the 20-inch piece and putting it on the ground, taking the 16-inch piece and putting it upright with the two 2x4 16-inch pieces upright, and then taking the 6-foot boards and sliding them down in between to make the wall. I bought 3-inch decking screws to screw everything in to make it secure. I took the boards and put them on the way I wanted, then took a pencil and started outlining where they were going to be sitting. This way I could pre-drill all my holes. After I got the marking, I took a ruler and found the center of the boards. From there, I marked the different places I wanted to put my pre-drill for the screws to go. I clamped down the boards and I started to drill. Once I drilled the holes, I clamped the boards down again and I put the screws in. My 2x4s wasn't completely straight, so I used my wood clamp to move it in place and hold it down so I could get my holes drilled and it would be straight in a line. You can see here where I'm drilling in from the bottom and the sides. Everything's pre-drilled, so I've got one done. After I did that, I got the other one done. I put it down on the ground and started stacking my boards, not drilling but just stacking them up to see what it would look like. Then I moved it back to the table, put clamps on it, and started pre-drilling the holes and securing the 6-foot boards to both of the two sides. Took the other 16-inch 2x4s and secured it to the back side of the 6-foot boards. I put holes in the bottom where the 20-inch board is and holes in the side where the 2x4 by 8 by 16-inch board is. So it's drilled in from the bottom and from the side. I did not put any screws from the 16-inch 2x4 into the 6-foot 2x8s. I might do that in the future, but I just thought that it was secure enough the way I had it. That's it. Hope this video helps. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments and I'll try to get to them as soon as I can. If you want to give this video a like, please do. It's always appreciated. Also, if you build a board or a wall board, please let me know so I can go and take a look at it.